Want to give your Xiaomi phone a stunning liquid glass look? Today I'll show you how to recreate the complete setup, including the home screen, control center, widgets, icons, wallpaper effects, and more. Let's get started. First, open the Themes app and search for Lovely HOS 3. If you can't find it in the theme store, simply search the theme name on Google and open it through the theme store. Once it opens, apply the entire theme. Next, install the widget theme. If it isn't available in the store, search for it online and open it using the theme store. After applying it, go to Customize Theme, open the Icons section, and apply the widget icon pack. Now search for the Super 26 theme and install it the same way, but don't apply on anything. Return to your home screen, remove any existing widgets, then add the Super 26 widget from the Android widgets menu. For the wallpaper, open the Gallery app and choose your preferred wallpaper. Apply it to the home screen only. Other than that, the wallpaper which I use in this video also available on my Telegram channel also, so you can download from there. Now head to the lock screen settings. Here you can customize the clock style, adjust the clock height, change its color, set transparency, and edit the text. Add your favorite widgets. Enable the Now Bar Music Player and customize it however you like. After the widget section, there is the option of wallpaper section where you have a bunch of built-in wallpapers. And you can also add your own custom wallpaper into it. To create the gravity wallpaper effect, open the Theme Customization page. Select Default Wallpapers, then import your own wallpaper. You'll need two images, the original wallpaper, a background removed version of the same wallpaper. For this depth wallpaper effect, I already uploaded a dedicated video on this topic. You can check the process in the video, link is given in the description. Finally, replace or edit any widgets to match your personal style. And that's it. Your Xiaomi phone now has a beautiful liquid glass-inspired setup. If you feel this quick tutorial helpful, then smash the like button and also comment down for next video idea. Also, if you do not subscribe my channel yet, then smash the subscribe button also. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another amazing customization tutorial.